Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Bhupendra Suri,
author of
I to Infinity.
How is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It's an amazing experience. I mean, didn't expect such a huge layout and so
Right.
many books and so many stalls. And I think it's a book lover's paradise.
So, what is one thing about your book you think it makes it stand out in its genre or theme?
My book is about searching for your purpose. I think in today's world, most people are looking for a purpose and trying to
true.
find answer and meaning to life.
True.
And I think this book really makes you question some of your basic paradigms
Right.
and largely changes your thinking in a different way
Right.
and gives a different way of looking at the world,
Right.
which then can give you a way forward in life.
Right.
So I really invite people to try the book.
Right, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
So, we have a huge community of writers on Instagram.
Yeah.
What is one piece of advice you would give to a budding author or writer?
What I would tell a budding author is be focused, because if you have something to express, you have to take the time and effort to complete it. Many people start various projects and they never complete.
Right.
And I know many people who have started projects and they don't tend to complete.
It's a hard thing.
It's a hard thing to do, but I think ending is probably the more important piece of this equation.
Wonderful. Shout out to the wife. Right. So thank you so much for sharing
you.
your experience, sir.
Thank you.
I hope you have a
Thank
wonderful
you.
book fair. Thank you.